So you want to rename a named range. Here we've named column A in invoices. We want to rename it. One easy way to do that is to select the range you've already named. Click in the name box here in the upper left corner or Command J and just rename it. We'll rename this ID. That's all you have to do. Or you can click anywhere in the sheet, data, named ranges, go and find the range you want to rename. Over on the right side, click the edit button. And here it'll bring up the name already in a box, and we can rename this invoice ID. And click done. That way you can rename a named range if you need to rename it or edit the name or capitalization, anything that you need to redo to that name, you can do that here. If you want to delete it, click on that edit box, click that delete range over to the right side. You'll have to say, are you sure you want to remove it? Yes, remove it. That's one way to rename it to nothing. And you can always remake it again with a new name. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, create cool automations, sign up here on YouTube to Better Sheets. Subscribe today.